Elderly man killed during reported ATM disturbance. Gun owner arrested. Daylight robbery in St. Anne. Security guard shot. Man shot dead during attack on cop. Injured officer rushed to hospital. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A businessman who is said to be a licensed firearm holder is in police custody after fatally shooting a senior citizen during a reported disturbance at an automated teller machine in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Thursday. The deceased is 72-year-old Vincent Phillips, a resident of Bamboo in St. Anne. It is reported that about 8:40 p.m. on Thursday, several persons, including the businessman, were waiting to use the ATM when Phillips approached and proceeded to the front of the line. The individuals in the line objected to Phillips' decision, but the elder man is said to have responded by using his bag to hit some persons, including the businessman and a woman. Phillips reportedly continued to use the bag to hit the businessman, who then pulled his licensed firearm and shot him. The police were alerted and the senior citizen rushed to the hospital where he later succumbed to his injury. The firearm was seized and the businessman taken into custody. The police are continuing their probe into the development. A brave security guard who attempted to apprehend two armed robbers was shot and injured by one of the hoodlums in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Friday. The guard is being treated at hospital after being shot in the upper body by one of the gunmen who escaped on a motorcycle with his crony. According to police reports, shortly after 9 a.m., a bearer was standing before a supermarket with a bag containing money when he was approached by an armed man. The bearer was relieved of cash, which is said to have been more than $800,000. The reports also stated that the security guard was seen running from the supermarket in an attempt to stop the robber, who hopped onto a waiting motorcycle that was parked behind a car. However, the guard was shot by one of the hoodlums as they fled the scene. The St. Anne police are trying to locate the men. A police constable assigned to the St. Andrew South Division was shot and injured during a confrontation on 7th Street, Greenwich Town, Kingston 13 on Friday, February 24, and is currently receiving medical treatment at the hospital. His attacker, an unidentified man, was shot and killed during the incident and the firearm seized. The matter was reported to the Independent Commission of Investigations and the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau.